Yeah, so I'm going to stop you here. Got a gully coming down like this, carrying all the coarse and fines out of the soil. It opens up into the flat area, and look up here. Big stuff. Gravels, pebbles, and then as I move out, the stuff gets finer. And look over here, you can actually see how the fines are all spreading out with the little channels. So this is a little fan deposit. Here you see a little drainage coming off of where these two fans meet, kind of spreading out. So if you have a channel that separates into other channels in an alluvial fan or in a delta, what are those called?
Tributary?
What's that?
Tributary?
Almost. Tributary is short for contributary, contributing. What is this doing?
Distributary.
Distributary, distributing. Yeah, so that's a distributary. So that's what you're seeing as an alluvial fan with a distributary. Now every time it rains, these channels will go separate ways. And so if you like slice through here, you would see all this channel switching in the deposit. So this is like a micro version of that. And then it all flows down into this other channel where now you can see tributaries coming in, right? That's a tributary flowing into this one. There's a little meander in here, and then it goes its merry way. So these little, I always get a real kick out of these micro hydro features because all this stuff just scales up. This is exactly how the Mississippi River operates, just on a much larger scale. And for those of you that weren't around, keep an eye on the mud cracks that are developing as this mud dries out. Because remember, when muds get wet, they swell. So then when they dry, they crack. So we're getting some really nice sedimentary structures. That's a good example. Ooh, nice hard stone here.
Yeah, picked out right up front.
A big question mark here.
Yeah. Oh, look, it's on a flower.
Oh.
Okay, after all.
Let's run to the group chat.
So, is this place, those walls are glaciated? Is there glaciers in?
I don't think so. No. No.
Yeah, look at how sharp that is. It's a little sand table.
Little terrace.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is really good. This is really good.
Look at that.
Okay.
They got distracted by.
I think I know what this is gonna be.
This is super cool because we're going to take this and explode it
Oh, yeah.
about 300 times the size. Okay, so this is another really cool example of a micro hydrologic feature, or mini maybe. So this is the channel, but what do you notice?
It changed.
Yeah, look at the terraces. So this is the channel, the most recent channel, but look at this little wall right here, and then there's a flat spot, and then another wall right there, and a flat spot, and another wall there, flat spot, and even another one way up here, and then you can go all the way back to this. So what's happening is the water goes through, in this case, this is again a really small example, but the water goes through, it carves the larger channel, and then it runs at a lower flow that fills this part up to here. So this becomes your little floodplain now after being carved out before. Then the water level drops again to here, and now this is your channel, and this is your little floodplain, and then less water, so now it's constricted into this. That's your new floodplain, and one more down.
Look at the timing too, like it would have come in through here. Now that's like that terrace corresponds to like this.
Yeah, and
So there was a
so you can do that terrace matching
right.
across the channel. Right in here, it's nice because it all steps like this. But yeah, as Dr. Harris is saying, you can actually see it switch over because the terraces themselves are not coherent, right? They don't bind together because it's just the sediment that was being laid down as the stream is losing energy. So it'll kind of switch back and forth. So when we are in the Tetons, you are going to see basically every textbook, every geology textbook that has a section on stream terraces shows a picture of the Snake River Plain in the Tetons. And it's that, only the whole Snake River. Yeah. You guys see how that works though? Do you see how the terraces are working? So you have a big channel like this, and then it drops its sediment as it loses water, and then it kind of drops down a little. All right.